Hey friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge Base. Today in this video I am going to explain you how you can take the backup of your WordPress website, and it is a very important video because when you are in a blank screen and when you lost your total website, and if you don't have a backup of your website, you are going to an hell and you have to do all the work again, and doing this will cost you money, will cost you the time as well. And if it is a client's website, you are working for a client and you have lost the things, then it is a really bad reputation in front of your client. So in this video I will explain WP Vivid backup plugin. WP Vivid is a very easy to use backup plugin. You can restore your websites instantly. You can download your website's backup on your local system as well. So let's start how we can understand WP Vivid usage. So as you can see on my screen, I have opened a website in which I just have installed a theme, Hello Elementor, and I have a plugin Elementor installed on my website. Other than that, I had done nothing yet on the website. Currently, if you want to see my plugins, I only have four plugins, out of which two are default plugins and out of which two I have installed on my website. And second thing is posts. Under posts I have only one post, and under pages I have only two pages, which are default pages. So what I will do is I will first install a backup plugin in this video, and that is add new plugin, and the plugin name is WP Vivid. Now click on install now. So as you can see, the plugin has been installed. So now I will click on activate. So when I activated the plugin, I will go back to plugins menu item on the left sidebar, and here you can see WP Vivid backup plugin, which is showing its dashboard. Here you can see you can take the backup now, and there are three options to take the backup. One is database plus files, second is WordPress files only and exclude database, or third one is only database. This is a totally free plugin, and there are some more features in the Pro plugin as well. By using Pro plugin, you can even integrate your OneDrive or Google Drive or other options to save your backup files. So first I will select database plus files, and then I will click on backup now. So as you can see, when I clicked on backup now, it started taking the backup, and once the backup is complete, so as we can see, the backup is now complete, and it is showing me one backup here for today's date, May 5 2024, and the timestamp as well. So you can save date and time of your backup, and it is showing you the option to download the backup file, and it is showing you the option to restore your website to the previous version. Now I will do is I will download. I will click on download again, and you can see it has opened my local directory. Under my local directory, I will go to my folder and I will click on save. Excuse me. So as it is saving my backup, you can see the backup file has been saved on my local computer, and this is the file. Now what I will do is I will show you, if I add some more posts on our website, like add new post, test post, some data for my test post, and I will publish this post just to let you know When I will click on view post, it will show me like this, test post, and I will go to home page. It will show me two posts, test post and hello world. Now I will go to pages and I will create another page, add new page and home page, and I will say this is my home page for this website. So when I will publish this page, it will go live as well. I will click on view page and I can see the page. Just go to pages and click on view and open that in new tab, and you can see here it is home page, and this is my home page for this website. I just shown it to you that I will do some changes, and once the changes are done and I want to restore my backup, like I want to go back, I don't want to use these pages or posts, and I just want to start again, start from blank website. So actually when I have taken the backup, it was a blank WordPress website, and you can see there is an option to restore because the backup is still showing it here. So if I click on restore, I will again click on restore button, and it will start showing me the statistics, the log for restoring the backup. So restore is completely successful. Now I will click on OK button. It will reload my website. As the login details are same, I didn't change the user login details, so there is no change. So I will use my old login details, and I can see there is no post here. It was the default post which was in my first version before taking the backup. And pages, you see there are only two default pages already there. So now your backup has completely been restored. Your site is now restored. So this is the way how you can take the backup of your fresh website first. Then when you do one day work, you can take the backup using WP Vivid Backup plugin and name it with the date. Second day work, then take another backup. Third day work, then take another backup. And finally, whenever you need any day's backup, you will have that on your local system, and you can restore that backup on your website anytime. So this was today's video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.